road, there's no doubt. Gotta get out of this small town. Set me free, let me fly. Let me find new kinds of highs. I will surrender, let me go on a new adventure.
After a day that spanned from the world's hardest cheese to the world's largest gilded Buddha, we finally checked into our home for the night, Access Suites, located right in the heart of Thimphu. This place has a reputation for blending modern apartment-style space with that incredible Bhutanese eye for detail. We were ready to drop our bags and just breathe for a minute. Here's a quick look at the sanctuary we found in the middle of the capital. All right, we have just checked into the Access Hotel in Thimphu. We are staying in room 403. And this is our room. Can you show us around here, Corey?
I just stepped in, so I don't know what I'm showing.
Well, neither one of us do, so.
Our sitting area.
Our sitting area. And look at this, we have a tea and coffee and a couple of cookies because I haven't eaten enough, and a nice wardrobe to put our things, a scale that I'm not going to get anywhere near because I have been eating this whole time. We have a safe, places to hang. Ooh, we have robes. I like when I have robes. We have a desk with bottled water and a bathroom. You can see me in the mirror there, lovely. All of the amenities. A shower with shampoo, conditioner, and shower gel. A bathtub and a toilet. All of our towels. And then you come back into the main room. I really like this lighting in here. This is nice, this lighting. And we have a little mini fridge, television, a double bed. Oh my gosh.
A wood balcony.
We've got a balcony. Oh, and we're only here one night. I wish I was here 4 nights. We have a balcony. And views of Thimphu. How amazing is this? I don't want to go anywhere. Let's just stay here. So this is the Access Hotel in Thimphu. Yay. What do you think, sweetheart? All of our rooms have been incredible.
They have been amazing.
Incredible. Wow. Huh. All right. Good morning.
Good morning.
It is March 8th.
Yes.
And we are in Thimphu, waking up, having breakfast at the Access Suites. Beautiful hotel. Wonderful breakfast buffet. They're making us some black coffee and sunny side up eggs. Today there's an itinerary.
We're not sure we're ready for it.
We're still acclimatizing to the altitude a little bit.
Yeah.
It's not bad.
Yeah.
And our stomachs are still on U.S. time, so is our sleep schedule. So, are you ready for this today?
Ready or not, here it goes.
Well, Rinchen and Singjay make it so easy. They take such good care of us.
They're awesome.
I can't. I feel almost like royalty all the time, which is a little uncomfortable for me because I'm simple. I'm really simple. But this has been amazing, absolutely amazing. Always an adventure. That's it for this deep dive into our past adventures. We are so glad you hung out with us. If you enjoy videos like this, you need to explore the rest of our channel. We're all about adventure, creativity, incredible food, and turning trash to treasure. We've got videos on our travels all over the world, our deep love for animal conservation, and fun DIY projects that cover everything from house flipping, RV renovation, to furniture flipping. We even have a bunch of videos showcasing our personal artwork. And for those who love a good theme, you'll find our passion for cooking, party planning, and theming in videos of themed dinners and cake decorating. I even FaceTime cook with my 88-year-old dad once a month. If you've got a curious brain, our channel is definitely the place for you. Hit the subscribe button, explore our travel and renovation playlist, and we'll catch you on our next adventure.